What I have for you today is a set of steel shelves from VEVOR. These are a very nice set that can be set across laterally like this, or even stacked up one on top of the other. They've got a nice, very strong, rigid steel construction, all kinds of options for you to be able to adjust the height of the shelves. You can space them out equally and go from top to bottom in your garage or in your storage room. And you could do it as well like this, where I've split them apart. The shelves are particle board here with some bracing underneath that gives it nice strength across this long span here. So when the boards are in place, it feels nice and strong. The frame itself, very thick steel throughout. Very nice way that they lock together. It's steel, a magnet will stick to it, as you can see here. The dimensions, I've got this set up in the two portion breakout here. This comes in at about 36 inches tall. And then the depth here is 17.5 inches. And each length is 48 inches going across. So that's one way you could do it. I've got these shelves here spaced out about 17 inches apart. But one thing you can do, stack them up on each other and adjust the shelves to be equidistant all the way top to bottom. They give you rubber feet to put on these tough edges here, so if they're on the ground, they won't scratch. Really impressed. They're nice and strong, like I said, very sturdy. You can put quite a bit on these shelves and get organized. So whatever you've got to get organized in your garage, this is a great rack to do it. I definitely would recommend. Very sturdy, and you got lots of room for all kinds of things. Hey, I hope this is helpful to learn a little bit more about this storage rack from VEVOR. Hope this information was useful to you, and as always, hope you have a great day.